on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. Today, honey, I am giving you a real hot girl hair and makeup look. I did my hair on camera a little bit, so if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. So we're going to be jumping right into it. So starting off, we're going to be jumping into moisturizer, and for moisturizer we're going to be jumping into this e.l.f. Hello Hydration face cream. I love this cream. It is the bomb. I really love this moisturizer. It gets your skin so good and it moisturizes your skin. It even wakes you up, girl. You be like, I'm up. Like, no, I'm playing. Next, we're going to be jumping into primer. And for primer, we're going to be jumping into my fave two that I've been jumping into, the Mercier. This is the Pure Canvas Primer. And we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. Just can't get enough of it. Just can't get enough of it. Say no. Y'all know I play too much. But what's been going on? Like, what's been going on? Number one, my feelings has been a little hurt because, you know, they was saying in the beginning about Kim and Kanye West getting a divorce, and I really didn't believe it and I didn't want to believe it. But now they're like really saying that they're getting divorced. I don't know, like, but I'm like really sad about that. I really like them together. I just hope they could work it out some type of way. We're going to be jumping into correcting, and honey, lately I just been correcting with the P. Louise Rumor 6 base. But yeah, I really don't want them to not be together. Now I have heard about like the rumors with Kanye West and stuff like that, but I really want them to work that out. I feel like as a union, me and my husband, we go through stuff, especially with us working together. It could be very difficult. I really hope that they work it out because I really love them together. I mean, you know, everybody have their opinions about the Kardashians and stuff like that, but to me, they are genius. Genius, okay? What the hell was going on? You know, you have to stay out the way, you know, not pay people no mind, okay? And you ain't got time. I know I don't. Next, we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer, the Deep Cinnamon, and we just going to take this and go under it just like that. e.l.f. Cosmetics is the shot. I'm telling you, it's so good. Look at that. We're going to jump into the Fenty Beauty 350 and give it a good light. Let there be light. Let there be light. I think I want to be a little brighter today. I'm going to jump into this Covergirl in the color Golden Amber, and I'm going to just take a little bit and put it right here. I'm trying to like brighten y'all life up today because I ain't even playing, okay? So now I'm going to let this dry down really quick. We're going to be jumping into contour. And for contour, you already know we're going to be jumping into the Bobbi Brown. So we're going to be jumping into this Real Technique brush. I just want to blend this out. And baby, you already know that we just be blending, okay? I really love the way this Technique brush be doing. Like, baby, you don't even know, okay? You know, like, just give it to her a little bit. I'm looking bright, but that's okay because I'm about to contour anyway, all right? So we're going to touch that back up. And we're just going to take some contour and bring it down the sides of the nose. And then you just blend this up. Like, you know, I really be loving the way my makeup be turning out. Like this brush is a angle e.l.f. brush, and I just can't believe that this brush is really like blending that and giving that all that is giving. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about y'all, but my hair do be getting tired sometimes, and y'all know I bring mine out. So now let me hurry up and bake, and we're going to be jumping into the Mercier, and this is actually in the color Honey. I'm gonna try to blend so I won't have no creases. Like, baby, Y'all know if I do not bake, it will be a problem. Cause this is my creasing part right here where my makeup get off. Like, that is the part, okay? Seriously. I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush and blend in this contour. I'm going to be jumping into my Cocoa Naughty and just stamping that real good, just to contour this nose, setting that contour. So now since I have that down, I'm going to hurry up and set this contour too. And then I'm gonna just take that, you know, and give it a real hot girl look. You know, like I'm really excited about this look. So we're gonna still sit there and let that bake. And we're gonna be jumping into eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, y'all already know I've been using pomade. And we're gonna be jumping into the e.l.f. pomade. And this is in the color Espresso. I've been doing my eyebrows like this for a while, and I remember when I wouldn't even be able to do my eyebrows, but now this is the only thing I really like using. Oh, I literally did my eyebrow while I was talking to y'all. Oh, I'm getting better. Jump right back into that Flawless concealer. That's how you clean that up. Now we're gonna jump right back into that Covergirl and just take a little bit and put it on our lid so we can jump into ours, okay? Pat this down real good all over. I just got real quiet for a whole minute, just concentrating. So yeah. So we're gonna be jumping into the Stacey Marie palette. You already know this is my favorite palette to do my creativity, okay? We're going to be starting off with this Inferno. Stamping that real good. And we're gonna stamp that, give it to me, baby. Like that red is crazy. They said it's red that you want, it's red that you will get. Now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into this shuffle. Just basically giving it a nice blend. Jump right back into that red and just bring that back in just a little. I like the way that looks. Okay, I think I want to jump into this yellow Keen. I want to jump into that. That looks nice. What you think? Can you really see it? Oh, that looks nice. Oh yeah. That looks even more prettier. And this is the e.l.f. glitter eyeshadow. It's in my spirit to do a wing liner, like, got to. So that's what we doing. Yeah, that's all I needed. Ooh, look how those eyes turned down. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into this e.l.f. setting powder in the color Deep. I'm gonna just take this big brush or whatever and just dust all this off my face. Getting good with the wing liner. Ooh, getting good with the wing liner. I'm telling y'all, I be shocking myself so much. I'm gonna just do a little bit of blush, and I'm gonna be jumping into this e.l.f. blush right here. And you know, just blend it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, girl, listen, I'm hyped. Like, and I'm gonna jump into this Cashmere by Lime Crime. We keeping it chill with the lip today, you know what I mean? And now I'm gonna just take some little clear lip gloss over my lip. Actually, my daughter made me this lip gloss, so shout out to my daughter. Yes, and it feels so good on your lips too. All right, so now we're gonna spray. Now I'm about to jump on this wig, honey. Ooh, what you think? So boo, this is the final look. I really love how this look came out. Like, look at my eyes, like look at that wing. Like, yes, I am really feeling it. If you are feeling it, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what is you waiting for, baby. Hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming upload. So with that being said, boo, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, watching me grow. Y'all know I love y'all. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.